Engineering and Development at Hemargroup. Looking to start a new company? Want to upgrade your existing electronic device? But what about product design, schematics, critical component selection, finding engineers, high prices, extended time frames, missing know-how, certifications, programming? Sounds way too complex, right? Well, you can now just forget about all these. At Hemargroup, we thrive on the idea of making your lives better with the power of our engineering team. We'll take care of your electronic device development from the very first idea to its fully working execution and implementation. Don't keep yourself from aiming higher just because you don't have enough possibilities. Our expert engineers will provide hardware and software development, redesign of existing devices, and improvisation beyond your imagination. What do we offer? Internet of Things, LED illumination, upgrades with new features and new sensors, personalized products, hardware and software integration, testing, compatibility, certification support, and everything in between. We provide value for your time and money. Our R&D works together with our in-house production department, optimizing design, components, and costs from the very beginning, while ensuring a sustainable growth for your project. Our one-of-a-kind service is a golden opportunity for startup and existing companies. With our express delivery service and our small series and prototypes production capability, we can ensure a very small time to market for your devices, making your idea as disruptive as it should be. We offer an integrated and well-coordinated full service delivered just in time, with complete support for compatibility testing and certifications. If you were waiting for such a service, then Hemargroup is just a click away. Get in touch with us today and let's realize your wonderful ideas and thoughts together. For further details, visit our website, www.hemargroup.ch. Follow us on Twitter at Hemargroup and Facebook for all the latest news and happenings. Hemargroup. Electronic is our world. Manufacturing our passion.